Alright, so I wanted to make a little tutorial on what to do the first day, just so everybody's on board. So make sure you're using Chrome or some other modern browser. What we're going to do is I'm going to pretend that I'm a new student, and here's what I would do is so that's the first day. We go to daabz, and I'm pretending I'm a new student, so I'm going to pretend that I haven't logged in. So I would say I'm going to register, so I'll click on register, and it would take me to this page where it's asking me to register. So I put yeah, my name is Joe, whatever, Joe Mars. My email, I'm gonna have to make something up. I actually have to use a real one so I can get stuff. Password, all the email must be unique. There you go, it likes it now. You see how it was giving me a message there? Password, whatever, and date of birth. The reason it asks you this is just because for laws or whatever we can't have little kids here, so I'm going to say I was born in 1960, which I wasn't, but it takes care of that prerequisite just so that it's age appropriate. Student ID, self-explanatory. I'll just put some student ID. Well, don't do what I did. You put your real one because your grades will be attached to that. Francisco Javier Marquez. Oh, it doesn't like that either. It doesn't like spaces on your name, so make sure you don't like put spaces. All right, it's good. This is just to test that if you're human. Half of 10. I'm gonna go with 5. I agree. I sign up. Correct errors. Oh, it doesn't like that either. Let me see. Last name. Try that. Half of 10 is 5. Should be good. Are you happy now? You're happy now. All right, so there it is. Joe Mars just registered for classes. So we're all good. That's the first part. That's called registering for the forum. Actually, for the whole website. Now you have access to the forums. You have everything here. You see, this is a chat bar. Sometimes I'll be you can chat with classmates or with the teacher. All right, I give you have your forum here, standard form. The next thing you want to do that would be to check out where your assignments are. For that, you click here, daabz, and let's see. Then you would click here on, this is remembering the old password, but let's not worry about that. So you would click on register, and this gives you all the classes, course registration. Select a course. You need to select the course that you want to register. This is just a testing system course. You don't want to select that one. Maybe you're in algebra, maybe you're in calculus, maybe you're in some other class, or maybe you can't find it, whatever. If you can't find it, I could just do a search with calculus. There you go, narrows it down. So I'm just going to pretend I'm registered for this one. So I'll say I want to add that. I click register. It says there you go. Now you're registered, and I'm done. And what that happens is I click refresh here, and all the assignments for that course will be here on my assignments page. This is my assignments page, and that's pretty much it. This is where everything will happen. Every single week you'll have an assignment. Sometimes you'll have lecture assignments, sometimes quiz assignments, sometimes other kind of assignments. All the assignments will be here. So anytime, no matter where you're at, you might be in the home button, you might be wherever, you click on your assignments, that's where you got to go. That's where everything happens. So for example, let's say I have a quiz assignment. So that quiz assignment takes me to this page. I'll do it again. Watch. You click on quiz assignment, and it takes you to this page. Say, what the hell is this? Well, this is a multiple choice question, A, B, C. You're going to click on all the things, and every quiz could have multiple answers. That's very, very important. They go here. The answer is not just one. It's not like pick the best answer. It's pick all the correct ones. If you get tired of clicking here, you might want to save your answers. Because that way, if you come back the next day and you say, whoa, all my answers are gone, what happened? You can just click here, and that thing will bring them back. I know, it's amazing. Whenever you might say, what am I clicking to? Where's the quiz? Well, you click on here on file. You should be here linked. When I click on the PDF, it should give me a PDF. Is it going to give me a PDF? It should. 5, 4, 3. Come on. Maybe I gotta hit refresh. There it is. The PDF with all the multiple choice questions, whatever. So you would print this usually on Mondays or Tuesdays, whenever it's ready, and work on it all week, and then make sure you come back. Wherever you're at, you just click on assignments. Again, this was a quiz 1, so that PDF we just saw, suppose you took all the quiz, you're going to enter the solutions here, or get them from your draft that you had. And then when you're ready, you submit it. And when you're ready, just go ahead and click submit. And whoa, if I do really bad, it'll give me a warning like this. Whoa, you didn't do very good. That's warning you. So what happens is now there's some things that happen here. This is the file plus some more information. It gives you a form where you can discuss this quiz. It also gives you the number of submissions you've made. It gives you the last one. It tells you hints. It says, hey, you missed a whole bunch. You might want to look at 26 and 24. And it gives you the graded results. Not yet. You have to wait till everybody turns it in. That's usually whenever this date is due, maybe like a day afterwards. Then you'll see your graded results here. That's how you turn in a quiz. Okay. Now, there's also other things like video lectures. You have to watch video lectures every week. Like you guys have to, if you click here, it'll take me to some video, I think. Yeah, it might take a little while to download, but there you go. You'll have to, these are the, whenever you finish watching it, you click on here and say, yep, I watched it, and it'll put a check mark there. And these are the videos for week 1. Whenever you watch that one, you say, yeah, I did it, and that puts a check mark there. Or if you didn't, say you didn't, it'll take away the check. That way you know which videos you've already watched. Sometimes I'll put handouts here as well. These are important. This is kind of like a book for algebra, so you should print that. That's your book. Okay, that's the video assignments. And then there will be other types of assignments. Whenever you click here, assignments, yeah, it takes you here. You got video assignments. You got a quiz assignment. I just showed you that. And then there are other assignments called daabz. I don't have any of these yet, but I can show you what they look like. They look like this when you explore. They look at these kind of daabz. So for example, like let's do something simple like I did for my 5-year-old, my son Diego. I made some for him, and these ones are called multiplying by tens. So they look like this. They're just basically like flashcards. You repeat over and over and over again. And then you click on the right answer, whatever, 60, 80. And if you click on the wrong answer, boom, you get one of those. And you can skip it, but if you skip it, you lose a point. See, look at that score. Or you can get a hint. If you get a hint, you lose points too, but you get the answer. Or you can go to the forum and discuss something like this. Or you could do a lot of other things too. Like, for example, you could take the 60-second challenge. Let's do the 60-second challenge. You click there, you close it, and when you're ready, you click here, start, and then it starts counting here how many you can do in 60 seconds. So I've got 1, I've got 57 seconds left, I got 100, 60, 20. I'm usually much faster than this. Whatever. Anyways, this tells you how many points you've done. I'll just let it run. Oh, what the hell? I'll do it. I'll come back to this in a second. Let me keep you explaining other things. All right, so those are the daabz, those flashcards, and they'll help you learn all your basic things. You'll have no excuse for not knowing them. And that's about it. When you click on assignments, those are mainly the 3 types of assignments. You'll have the videos for the week, the quiz for the week, and the daabz for the week. These are the daabz. These are daabz stacks. And this is still going. Those are some long 60 seconds. 60, 50, 20, 40, 70. Of course, you're not going to have things like this. You'll have like more interesting problems, I think, than this. Whoops. See, I lose everyone every time I do that. Alright, you can put your nickname here. Hello Kitty, whatever. Submit. And what it should do, if you refresh here, what that does is it puts your name on the high score list. Here's the, where is it? Oh, the high score list right here. Those are the people with the highest scores in 60 seconds. It's just for fun. Anyways, there's other options here that you can take a look at. That's basically it. You got your 3 types of assignments. You click here. You always have your video assignments, quiz assignments, and daabz assignments, and they will all be here. All you gotta do is click on that button here. You'll see everything that you've got to do. Okay, and then you'll see your grades here. You'll see a lot of other information whenever the grades are released. All right, I think we'll stop it here. That was 10 minutes. That's plenty. Let's stop there.